My name is Brittany Lloyd, and I am the quilter and designer behind Stitchery. I design modern quilts and quilt patterns for people of all skill levels. The quilt that I made uses just traditional half square triangles. I use Petal Cotton, and it was really great for working with this quilting project. It feels really flexible, and then once I got it into the quilt, I feel like it just kind of morphed into this squishy, buttery material.
I'm Evie Jespersen of EVQuilts, and I'm a modern quilter. The hand of the petal fabric is really interesting because it feels really firm at first, which is actually really great for quilting. For like cutting and piecing, the fabric wasn't getting warped at all. It helped everything stay like really sturdy while I was putting it together, but then over time, after it's quilted and washed, like it softens up a ton. I really liked that the cotton is super opaque. When you're printing these designers prints on them, they're like really bold prints that show up really well on the fabric, which I liked.